Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have a fall decorating. We are continuing the cozy fall decor styling. So, yes, I'm telling you, are you all ready for the fall though? The fall. I love the fall, just like I told you before. It's one of my favorite. I love the coziness of the trees and the leaves changing, different colors and, just falling. And it's just so pretty. And the slowly breeze that comes with that fall breeze in the morning. I absolutely love it. The hot cocoa with the whipped cream. Yes, I love it. I love it. So, thank you to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so much. And welcome to all my new family members. I love y'all. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming in and joining the family. I thank you so much. We are all queens here. And we do have a couple of kings too. So, if you would like to see what I came up with for the series of the Cozy Fall series, Decor, come on and let's see what we did. Yeah, and remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until the next video. I love you all. Tray that I got from Burlington Coat Factory years ago. We have these right here that I DIY'd. My coasters here, my mirror coasters. We have these beautiful pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and we have these pumpkins here from the Dollar Tree that I did with my special glitter bead mixture that I use, and I had that one right there on top of a riser. And this one here, this pumpkin is so beautiful. I love the details of this here pumpkin. And we also have this here beautiful Tuscan feel. I love it. I love Tuscan style. But it has this beautiful mosaic glass to it that I think is so beautiful. I had the vase to go with it, but the vase was not high enough for my flowers, so I had to eliminate that. But this here, that came from Goodwill. The tie came from Good Stuff, which is a thrift store as well. And we had our candle here that came from Goodwill, I believe it was. Okay. This thankful sign for several years now. I absolutely love it for $1. Wow. This here vase came from, I love the detailing on this here. Look at that. Like that iron on there. It's really like with the metal. It's like worn a little bit. I absolutely love that. I love that. To me, that is like a Tuscan style as well. If I am wrong, please correct me, okay? And we have these flowers here that I've had in an arrangement for years, and it was up on the 3rd floor. I just kindly took it apart and used it because I wanted to do that mauve and burgundy look, and yeah, like that blush, I say, and that burgundy, yeah, mulberry, yes, these are so pretty. And these flowers, again, I think I got those flowers, I'm not sure, but these right here, they came from Good Stuff, okay, the more warm looking ones. And here, on the couch, we have our mauve pillows, or our blush pillows, let's say, okay? Fur pillows, these came from DD's. I think they were like, I usually take my price tags off, y'all. They were like $9.99, right? They were $9.99. You can leave it like that, or you can put your pillow like this. This is how I like my pillows. I just wanted to try something different. And this here, the throw, came from, I believe it was from Family Dollar, okay? And of course, this right here from C.H. Martin. I absolutely love these. I have 2 of these. I keep them. I love them on my throws. I think it makes a great statement. And I just absolutely love it. These right here, pumpkin pillows, this was a runner, okay? And what I did was cut the runner in 3 sections, y'all. Granddaddy is on the scene. He always popping in. The grandfather clock. Yes, but I have 2 of these. So what I did, the feathers, they just pop out, because I keep them in plastic bags, during the summer season and stuff like that. After the season is over with, and honey, them feathers be ready to pop out. Look at that. Woo. Okay. But anyway, I made 2 pillows because I could never get my hands on those pillows. Every time I would go to TJ Maxx or somewhere, they will always be sold out. OMG, they will always be sold out, and I could never get my pillow. I'm like, oh my goodness. So I said, well, I went to Home Goods, and this is where I got the runner from. It had the pumpkin at one end and the other. In the middle part, I made me another pumpkin pillow, beaded pumpkin pillow that I designed myself, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. But this here, I made me 2 little ones. I think they like a 14 by 14. It works for me. And this burgundy pillow behind here, I got that from the thrift store, Goodwill. I'm telling you, this is a good brand as well. But y'all, this is by Pier 1. That's right, I forgot. This was by Pier 1. Okay? And I love it. I can get my pillows there. And I just absolutely love it. I'm telling you, I shop on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make your home look good or to style, You don't have a lot of money to style with, it's okay. And even if you did, you really don't have to do it. Okay? And here we have these pumpkins here. These are the famous pumpkins. I tell you, They are the famous pumpkins, and I love them. They're elegant, and they are just timeless. They're not gonna never go out of style for me. And we have these here from Hobby Lobby, the acorn here, which I love. I love that color, that gold. And these here stands that the pumpkins are on, I got those from Goodwill. I'm telling you, the majority of stuff that I style with comes from Goodwill, or either Good Stuff or Dollar General, you know. Here on these here, this is these are things that are on together, and I absolutely love it. I just put this pillow here. This is the pillow that I designed, y'all. I did all the beading work with it and everything, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, absolutely love it. But that is the pillow that I designed, and I love it. And I was thinking about designing another one for this year, so I can, you know, show people how I did it. Okay. And over here we had another one of those pumpkin pillows, which is beautiful. Okay. And again, this is just a styling, just to show you that, you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Shop your home, you know, and these are colors that I absolutely love. I wanted to do, you know, do different colors this year, and this was one of the colors that I wanted to use. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified.